Good morning. I'm Emily, and I'm 9 years old. On weekends, I don't wake up as early as on school days. I usually wake up at 8 a.m. because I like to get some extra rest. When I wake up, the first thing I do is organize my room. Even on the weekend, I like my room to be tidy and clean. After that, I go to the bathroom to wash my face and brush my teeth with my toothbrush. Even on weekends, my teeth must be clean every morning. Afterward, I head to the kitchen for breakfast. My mom always prepares a special breakfast for me on the weekends. Usually, I have pancakes with fruit and honey. It's so delicious. After breakfast, I change into something comfortable and nice. On weekends, I have time to play and have fun. Sometimes, I play in the park with my friends. We run around, play soccer, and sometimes ride our bikes together. It's so much fun. In the afternoon, I come back home for lunch. My mom makes us a tasty meal, and after lunch, I like to watch cartoons or play with my toys. Sometimes, I go for a walk in the park with my mom. In the evening, I review some lessons or read a book. I love reading exciting stories. After that, it's time for dinner. We eat dinner together as a family, and I love sharing stories about my day with my brother. After dinner, I sit with my family to watch a movie or play board games. I love weekends filled with fun and laughter. Before bed, I go to my room to read my favorite story. Stories help me dream about beautiful things. Then, I turn off the lights and go to sleep, ready for a new day full of adventures. The weekend is the time I love to relax and enjoy with my family and friends.